Pistachios and 8 healthy reasons to start eating them from today. Most people like pistachios for their taste, as they are an absolute favorite when it comes to picking snacks for late movie nights. Pistachios go well with cold beer, so you may want to consider buying some next time you hang with your friends. Chefs also like these nuts because they can boost and enrich the taste of both savory and sweet dishes. We give you 8 healthy reasons to enjoy pistachios more often. 1. Good for your heart. Latest studies have confirmed that regular consumption of pistachios improves heart function and prevents the occurrence of cardiovascular diseases. Pistachios can also help people with hypertension to regulate their pressure. 2. They contain healthy fats. Nuts contain healthy fats, and 50 pistachios contain 160 calories, which means they are a low-calorie snack. 3. They are high in fiber. Oatmeal is considered to be the richest source of fiber, but what you probably do not know is that pistachios are higher in fiber. 4. Carotenoids. Carrots are not the only source of carotenoids, because pistachios are also rich in carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin, which are associated with a reduced risk of macular degeneration, an age-related health condition that sometimes leads to blindness. 5. Phytosterols. Pistachios are an excellent source of phytosterols, substances that absorb cholesterol from other ingredients, which is why they are a common part of desserts and meals in general. 6. Proteins. Pistachios are high in vegetable protein, and they are largely consumed by vegans and vegetarians because they are an excellent replacement for meat. 7. Antioxidants. Phenolic compounds in pistachios are pretty similar to antioxidants found in certain foods. Antioxidants prevent oxidative stress that is the root cause of cancer and heart diseases. 8. Nutrients. Pistachios contain a large amount of iron, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium and vitamin B6. Eat pistachios more often to give your body more than 30 vitamins and minerals. If these reasons are not enough for you to start eating pistachios regularly, you can at least let their rich taste be part of your movie nights or add them to enhance the taste of your homemade delicacies. Much better than eating popcorns. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.